Have you ever been trying to cancel a direct debit from your Combank account and found it to be more difficult than you expected? In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a direct debit from your Combank account in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log into your Combank account. You can do this by going to the Combank website or using the Combank app. Step 2. Go to your Accounts tab. From here, you can see a list of all your accounts. Step 3. Click on the account that you want to cancel the direct debit from. This will take you to the Accounts Details page. Step 4. Scroll down to the Direct Debits section. Here, you will see a list of all the direct debits that are linked to your account. Step 5. Click on the direct debit that you want to cancel. This will take you to the Direct Debits Details page. Step 6. Click on the Cancel button. This will cancel the direct debit. You can also cancel a direct debit by calling Combank customer service. If you cancel a direct debit, you will need to make sure that you have another way to pay for the service or product that the direct debit was for. You may need to provide the direct debit reference number when you cancel a direct debit. I hope this video has helped you to cancel a direct debit from your Combank account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.